Alright guys, welcome back. What's popping? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today for those of you who are my members already, if you look here, you have I have my members here. Okay, those who are supporting me in one way or the other, you can see here we have this join button here. Okay, if you have joined and you are my member, all you need to do is to go to your membership, our membership page. You are going to see it here, membership. I've dropped a WhatsApp link right there. Okay, you can see the link where I say let's join the link, let's connect. Okay, so I needed to at least give back to you guys who have been supporting me all this while. Some of you have kind of joined for over 3 months or 2 months or so. Okay, so we need to get connected. We need to at least get to know each other, and I'll be able to help you guys in a special way. Okay, so for those who are already my members, you can see the link. Okay, once you come here, you see the link, you join. All right, so if you are not yet a member, you just have to click on the join. The YouTube have already created the button for us for you to join. Okay, this is just for you to join and support content creators on YouTube. All right, you can see this join button right there. So if you just click on my channel, you are going to see the join button. So if you join, you'll be able to see the link. All right, you'll be able to see the link. The link is only visible for my members only. Okay, so if you join, you become a member of Kingsfx family on YouTube here. Then you are going to see the link. Then join the link, and we'll be having a series of activities there in WhatsApp group there. Okay, so that is exactly what I want to share with you in this video. So please subscribe to my channel if you are new. Also remember, I'll be dropping a strategy tomorrow. Okay, so get ready for the video. Okay, I'm going to share with you some tips, few things. Okay, anyway, let me just keep it here until you see the strategy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Enjoy.